The 33-622 LinearX3 Hip Kit from IDEAL is our best value Coax starter compression toolkit for the installer who occasionally works with coaxial cables. Cut, strip, and terminate F, BNC, and RCA coaxial connectors onto RG59, RG6, RG6 Quad, and Plenum cables in one handy hip kit. The LinearX3 compression tool brings several of the qualities, features, and workmanship of our professional OmniSeal Pro Series of tools into a smaller, simpler, and value-priced tool. The tool is designed for installers that are converting from traditional crimping tools and crimp-on coax connectors, or those that occasionally work with coaxial cable terminations. An all-metal zinc die-cast frame construction with a double-dipped no-slip spring-loaded handle and embossed logo are just a few of the high-quality features and finishes found on the LinearX3 that are typically absent on value-priced tools. The LinearX3 has an adjustable post and is designed to compress F, BNC, and RCA coaxial connectors. The post can be raised or lowered to accommodate different sizes and types of compression connectors. The tool comes preset for F and RCA connectors with no adjustments needed. For 90-degree and BNC connectors, simply screw the adjustment post in clockwise using a screwdriver until the connector fits in the tool properly. The kit includes a 33-632 LinearX3 compression tool, 45-605 Prep Pro Coax and UTP cable stripper, 45-074 Data T cutter, and a durable pouch with belt clip. Using the LinearX3 compression tool to install a compression F connector is easy. Step 1. Cut your cable to length and create a two-step strip exposing a 1/4 inch of the center conductor and a 1/4 inch of the braiding. Then fold back all the braiding over the outer jacketing of the cable. Step 2. Push the compression F connector onto the cable until the white dielectric is even with the hole in the bottom of the nut. Step 3. Insert the connector into the LinearX3 tool and fully compress the F connector. Your connection is now permanently installed and ready to be used. If you'd like to learn more about the 33-622 LinearX3 Hip Kit from IDEAL, contact our customer service department or visit our website. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. I'm Ron with IDEAL.